Good morning and happy Vlogmas day 5. Y'all, Vlogmas day 4, it really messed me up. I'm not even gonna lie. It messed me up because I had plans to, spend like the evening with you guys. We were gonna come home, kick it with my girls for a minute, maybe experiment on the drink side. But I went to Stefani Prime yesterday, and shout out to them because they have some amazing food, like really, really good food. I got there, I sat down, I ordered a French martini, which was divine. Like when I got done with that martini, I asked for a pear martini. I didn't even finish my pear martini. Tell me why I got drunk last night off of a drink and a half. The college girl in me is so disappointed. Like my past self is like, where is your tolerance? This can't be the person that makes drinks on the weekend for her Instagram following. Like, how are you down and out after a drink and a half? But honestly, y'all, those martinis were so freaking strong. They were strong AF. So by 7 o'clock, I was knocked out, y'all. I felt like I needed to throw up at one point. If I'm being honest right now, I'm still, in Belize, we'd say like, I have goma, because I'm feeling it still. But yeah, that's what happened yesterday. That's why yesterday's vlog was like less than 10 minutes. We're going to try to do better today. I do have to get groceries at some point. I'm debating on whether or not I'm going to go to Trader Joe's. I do have to do laundry. I want to tidy up my room a bit, and yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna plan for today. I did edit yesterday's video and post that. That should be live by now. I try to strive to get the vlogs up by like midday, no later than 2. So that should be up. But yeah, that's what we got going on. I already had my cup of coffee while I was editing. Now I'm about to eat some leftover food from yesterday. The food yesterday at Stefani Prime was chef's kiss. It was amazing. It's just that them drinks were strong and had your girl out. I was knocked out. So anyways, I'm about to eat these leftovers and then map out what I'm gonna do for the day. All right, guys, so I am slowly getting my life together. I think I have a combination of what we would call goma in Belize, which is basically a hangover, and a combination of that on top of just not feeling well. I think, when was it? 2 days ago, Aunt Flo came into town and she kind of messed a whole lot of stuff up, and I feel like she's doing the same thing right now. So, yeah. So I think it's a combination of just being hungover, dehydrated, and then my body also just not being in the best state. So I have been in the dark. I finally opened up the curtains, but I've just been sitting in the dark. I ate a little bit of something, and I think that kind of made me feel better. I did place an order for pickup for Target, but I wanted some eggnog. So I am gonna order some eggnog, and I wanted to get the hubby some Carmex as a stocking stuffer. I'm wondering if I should try the oat milk eggnog. I think I'm gonna just stick with the I'm gonna just stick with the regular for now. Y'all, I also wanted this gingerbread this gingerbread whipped cream from Target, but I don't think they have any. Whew. All of a sudden I don't feel well again. Oh Lord. But yeah, just wanted to check in. Like I said, I'm not feeling my best. I had a sudden boost of energy just now, so I was moving around and I was motivated to do a load of laundry and switch out my linen, and now I'm like, I need to lay down. So probably gonna give myself like 15 minutes to lay down, and then I will try my best to get back up and get something done.
Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, yeah. Put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You
Hey
can
guys,
keep your
so
bitter.
we know the
I'ma make
lighting
a
in my
better
room
way.
sucks, so I'm gonna try to make this quick. I'm still not feeling that well. I was able to get up, clean the kitchen. I got the linen out of the dryer, and I do have a load that's in the wash right now, and then I'm gonna just put that in the dryer, probably get that out the dryer in the morning. But I did want to open the advent calendar for Lola. She is not feeling well. I think she pulled a muscle or something because she just isn't feeling her best. Child. I'm just not looking at the advent calendar, right? And I'm like, I'm pretty sure I opened one, but one doesn't seem to look opened. So, are you looking for your, yeah, wait, okay, yeah. Yeah, look. It's another treat. So I do have an order from GoPuff coming. I also have an order that's ready for pickup at Target. I might try to get that first thing in the morning. But yeah, I just needed to order some Gatorade. I'm hoping that helps me. I mean, I've been drinking water all day, but I just don't feel like 100% myself. So yeah, but I'm probably going to put on a movie or something and try to relax. I'm not excited about work. You guys know in the last few videos I've just been expressing that I'm overwhelmed and work has been giving me anxiety recently, so that's another thing that could be just contributing to the mood that I'm in. I'm just not feeling it. But yeah, I will probably check in with you guys a little bit later to close off the vlog. Good morning. So it's actually the next day, as you can probably tell. But I tried to do something fun last night and I still wasn't feeling it, y'all. I just was not feeling good yesterday. I'm feeling a little better today. So I'm assuming that I'll be a bit more productive and I'll be able to get some stuff knocked off of my list. I mean, let me not knock myself, because yesterday I did clean up a bit and stuff like that. So I'm not going to knock myself. I did a load of laundry. I got some of my chores done, but I just didn't do anything exciting because I wasn't feeling well. And then even watching movies, I couldn't really pay attention because I just wasn't feeling good. So yeah, I just wanted to hop on to close out the vlog. I want to be 100% transparent as well. Every day is not glamorous. On my channel, especially if you're new here, you will notice that I am me. I do not get all dolled up all the time just to be on YouTube, because it's unrealistic for me. So this hoodie, you know, this is my favorite hoodie, by the way, if y'all didn't know. It has bleach stains and my pockets coming off, but I just absolutely love this hoodie. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna wear it. But yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know, to give a little disclaimer. Every day of Vlogmas is not gonna be glamorous. I was like telling myself this morning, like, nah, don't close it out yet. do your makeup, and then later on during the day come on and close out. But that wouldn't be realistic. It wouldn't be transparent. So full transparency, full disclosure, every day ain't glamorous. Some days we just look crusty and bummy over here, okay? So with that being said, let me go ahead and close out the vlog. Again, if you are not subscribed, do me that favor, hit that subscribe button so that I can try to achieve my goal of 3,500 by the end of the year. We only got a little bit, y'all. I'm a little bit nervous, but it's okay. The closer I get to the 3,500, the happier I will be. So even if I don't make it in my before my deadline, I'll be alright. I'll appreciate you nonetheless. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will check you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.